And the last exit sign setup, there was a vote in the comment section between which device to put up for this setup above the door. And in the comment section, it was just about even between this generic emergency light and the slim green exit sign, which were the options. So I went ahead and chose the slim green exit sign, obviously. Yeah, in the comments it was just about even. You know, half the people wanted the green exit sign and the other half wanted the emergency light, so I figured this slim green exit sign would look pretty good above the door, and it absolutely does. It fits right in with the whole setup I have here. Anyways, the model of this sign by Exit Fixture is EZTXTEU1GW, and it's an AC only unit, which means when the power goes off, there's no battery inside that keeps the exit light on. And I can go ahead and demonstrate that with the breaker that I have here. Fun fact, in this garage there is a dedicated breaker switch for the exit sign, which is pretty cool. So turn the power off. As you can see, the sign turned off, and of course when you turn the power back on, the sign will come back on, as you can see there. So fun fact, this garage is actually wired into a backup generator that can last up to 10 days during a power outage. So that's why I'm okay with having an AC only exit sign, and as well as no batteries in the fire alarm control panel. But it still is nice to have an emergency light or an exit sign with a battery backup feature, and that's just because you never know if that backup generator is not going to work for some reason. So it's just always a nice feature to have, but for this setup, for at least the next few months while I have this exit sign up, I'm not too worried. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the light because it always looks cool to see what the exit sign looks like in the dark. And as you can see, it has a very nice green glow. That looks super cool. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day everyone.